Welcome back. This month, we're introducing EasyBill to streamline your patient charges. We're separating blood and non-blood kits for faster redraw turnaround and launching our most comprehensive hormone test yet. Let's take a look at what's new and how it fits into the way that you work. You start the day with patience, focused, present, doing what you do best. But by afternoon, you're buried in tabs. Lab charges in one tool, office visits in another, and a pile of patient bills with no easy way to bring it all together. It's too many tools, too many clicks, too many steps, too much time lost to things that don't help your patients. And it adds up, not just in hours, but in wasted resources, repeated tasks, and the energy it takes to hold a fragmented system together day after day. You made the old way work, despite the clicks, the chaos, the cost. But patching things together was never the goal. It's time for a billing system that fits your day, not fights it. So we built something better. We built EasyBill. EasyBill brings together everything you charge for, lab tests, services, programs, and anything else you can think of, into a single system that you already use. The best part is we don't charge anything to use this billing tool. The only costs are the standard credit card processing fees from Stripe. Vibrant product lets you set your own lab test prices, customized for each order or saved as defaults across your practice. Practice admins can set default pricing by provider or apply the same settings across the entire team, making it easy to stay consistent while allowing for flexibility. Admins can also choose whether team members are allowed to make one-time pricing adjustments during an order, without affecting the practice's default pricing. Pricing adjustments on lab tests are unavailable in New York, New Jersey, California, and Rhode Island. All other EasyBill features are available in these states. Are you ready for something truly exciting? Now you can add your own custom charges directly into the Vibrant Wellness portal. Add services, add physical products, and apply them right from the order page. And track them all in EasyBill. Give your charge a name that'll be displayed to patients. You'll also select whether this is a product or a service. If it's a service, sales tax won't be applied during checkout. You get to choose who can offer this product and also upload a picture so it's easy for you to find. If you enable refunds, a refund will automatically be issued if you cancel the order. In your billing settings, you can create a default fee to automatically be applied to every order for you or your entire practice. Customize the name and amount the patients see. You might be wondering where the revenue goes. Well, the EasyBill wallet brings all your credits and revenue into one place. Manage credits for your entire practice with ease, right inside the portal. Practice admins control how credits are used, apply them to future orders, or send payouts to a linked bank account. Track financial activity across the practice and cut down on manual work. The wallet makes it simple to manage revenue and stay organized. You also can stay organized with automatic transaction summaries sent weekly or monthly, right to your inbox, so you have one less thing to worry about. Less admin, more clarity, and more time to focus on what matters, your patients. Redraws are now separated by kit type to keep things moving. Blood and non-blood samples follow their own timeline, so results aren't delayed. Whether managed manually or automatically, it's built to save time and reduce friction. This one's big. The Hormone Zoomer is now live in the portal, and it's our most comprehensive hormone test yet. It looks at over 80 biomarkers across adrenal and sex hormones, endocrine disruptors, oxidative stress, and more, all designed to help support mood, metabolism, energy, and overall well-being. If hormone health is part of the picture, this test brings it into focus. Order it today in your portal. That's it for this month's updates. For smarter billing to more flexible redraws and a powerful new hormone panel now available, these updates are here to help you work more efficiently and focus on what matters most. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next month.